أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم ولا يأتل أولو الفضل منكم والسعة أن يؤتوا أولي القربى والمساكين والمهاجرين في سبيل الله وليعفوا وليصفحوا ألا تحبون أن يغفر الله لكم والله غفور رحيم إن الذين يرمون المحسنات الغافلات المؤمنات لعنوا في الدنيا والآخرة ولهم عذاب عظيم. Dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Surah An-Nur is a great surah. You try to study. If you want to get a family life in the life, you should learn the Surah An-Nur, and you want to teach the Surah An-Nur to our society, to our children, to our family. Then your family, our family, the society family will come a best family. There is no problems. Most of problem you can solve it by the Surah An-Nur. By Surah An-Nur, when you are learning the Surah An-Nur, you can control your family. That is the sure. I can give you the promise. Okay. So we can go now the instantly meaning. Wala ya'tali should not refuse, should not say, should not say. What not say, what not say, what not refuse. Ulul fadli minkum was-sa'ati, from your or of those of you who have affluence, who are prominent in religion and rich in the wealth, like these people, do not refuse, do not swear, do not say. Okay, asad, the wealth, rich in the wealth. Okay, fadl means affluence. Okay, minkum, from you, those of you. Okay, wala ya'tali ulil fadli minkum was-sa'ati an yu'tu, not to give, an yu'tu, not to give, ulil qurba, the relative, to the relatives, okay, to the relatives, wal masakin, to the needy peoples, wal muhajirin, to the immigrants, fi sabilillah, for the sake of Allah, wal yafu, and let them pardon, wal yasfahu, and let them overlook. Ala tuhibbuna an, do you not love for, do you not want, an yaghfira lakum, God to pardon you, yaghfira Allahu lakum, God to pardon you. Wallahu ghafurur rahim, wallahu, Allah is all forgiving, most merciful. Innal ladina, surely those, yarmuna, they are those who slander, al-muhsanatil ghafilatil mu'minati, the honorable innocent woman, slander honorable innocent believing. Okay, honorable, who surely those who slander the woman, what the woman slander, al muhsanati, honorable, al ghafilati, innocent, al mu'minati, believing woman. Lu'inu, they are sorry, lu'inu, lu'inu, they are cursed in this fid dunya wal akhirah, in this life and in the hereafter. They are cursed. Lu'inu, they are cursed. Innalladina, surely those who slander the honorable and innocent and believing woman. Lu'inu, they are cursed. Fid dunya, in this life, wal akhirah, in the hereafter. Walahum adabun alim, and they will have a terrible punishment. Walahum, and they will have adabun, punishment. Alim, terrible punishment. And those who are prominent in religion and rich in wealth do not share, not to give financial support to their needy relatives because of the sin committed by them. Rather, they should forgive their relatives and move it on. Don't you like do not you like that Allah forgives your sins if you forgive them and let go, and surely Allah is forgiving and merciful to his repentant servants. Therefore his servants should also follow him. This verse was revealed about Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu anhu. May Allah be pleased with him when he swore not to spend on Mistah radiyallahu anhu. May Allah be pleased with him because of his involvement in accusing Aisha radiyallahu anha. May Allah be pleased with her. Inshallah, my dears, Surah An-Nur is a great surah. We wanted to learn, we wanted to teach. Thanks for hearing me. Thanks again for your subscribers and likes. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.